Okay, we got something incredible here tonight. This is for a Chevy Silverado 2500. It is a quad retrofit. Woo! Because if you don't know, I'm that quad retrofit king. All right, so up top, we have a Morimoto MD2S projector swap. This is a halogen projector originally from the factory. As you can see, it has the ByThirteen lens etching. We also have the clears, not full on smoked, but light tinted, and it's not clear, but it's whatever, you know, amber replacements. We also down here have again, Morimoto Mini D2S projector assembly. And so the objective here, client came to me, basically he wanted more lighting output. He already had an HID setup in the halogen projector assembly, but that is of course very lackluster results. So did the swap up top and down below because I wanted that nice uniform matching look to it. As you can see, this has like a chrome kind of a beveled lip to it, and then it's all black on the inside. So I picked a shroud that had a very similar chrome beveled lip to it, and then all blacked out around the side there as well. So it's very OEM plus looking. That was his primary concern. He just wanted it to look factory and look good. And I believe we have accomplished that with this particular build. What makes this one particularly enjoyable for me is it's the first time I've actually done two MD2Ss in the same housing. You'd think I would have done that by now, but what that means is we've got dual low beam and dual high beam, and it's a stupid amount of power. We are running the cool white setup on this, on 35 watt ballast, so still about 70 watts of power, and that's an excessive amount of light. So let me fire this bad boy on for you. Boom! All right, so there we are. They are officially on. Again, as you can see, the cool white color. And then I'll turn up onto the wall. All right, and so there's my output pattern. Now, obviously, you can tell there are two cutoffs. One is 7.5 inches higher than the other. Why 7.5 inches? Well, because it's 7.5 inches from the center of that projector assembly to the center of this projector assembly. And that's how math works. And that's how you get proper alignment on a quad retrofit. So that way, when you aim them, they will always aim correctly. Now, with that being said, obviously there's a slight disadvantage of having a housing that has a vertical array of projector as compared to a horizontal array, and that means that basically, you know, you're going to have a lot of foreground light from this guy because he's going to be aimed slightly more lower than that top one, because that top one is going to be the one that ultimately gets aimed so that we're not blinding oncoming traffic. And since this is going onto a lifted truck, of course it's going to be done rather conservatively so that we don't upset all of the other nice drivers on the road. Pricing and product information is going to be in the video description. I'm going to price this job as if I had done it start to finish all in one take. This is actually the second time I've worked on these housings. The first time was just to do that replacement. So this job is going to be priced as if I just did it all at once, just so, you know, when people are like, well, how much does that set up? Now you know, read the video description. This is 13 with Superior Mobile, ByThirteen, the Quad Retrofit King. All right, I shall talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. See ya.